Greetings from WP Fraternity. Today I will be giving a basic overview of the WP User Frontend plugin. This overview will cover the WP User Frontend Free এবং WP User Frontend Pro. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, this is my website where I am using the basic Hello Elementor theme. Any theme can be used. So I will be installing the WP User Frontend free version. So let's add that plugin, WP User Frontend. So here is our plugin. Let's click on install now. It will be installed just within few moments. It's installing. So the plugin is installed. Now click on activate. So after clicking on activate, we will be introduced with this setup wizard. So let's click on let's go. Enable payments. So right now in this basic overview video, I will not be covering the payment option. So I will be mark as unclicked. Install WPUF pages. So this is necessary because in order to use this plugin, there are some pages that will be needed. So I will be clicking continue. So now we will go to the full settings, because in here there are some basic settings that needs to be configured. For example, show admin bar. I will be clicking on administrator, admin access default, all will be set, and this icon means that we will need the pro version. So we will see the pro version a few moments later. So after that we will go to the front end posting, edit page, default post owner, this is my user, custom field in post, we will not enable this one because this is just a basic overview page. So these are the thing. We'll go to the dashboard. User can edit the post, user can delete the post, yes. Pending post edit, yes, it will be click as well. After that we'll go to the my account page, and account page, the pages we have installed while activating the plugin from the setup wizard, we will configure that page. For example, account, we will set the account, and this page is containing this shortcode. If you click on there that you will not install the plugin, we can create those pages separately as well. So select the custom poster for account page. So all can be select, or we can select this well as well, active tab. So we'll click on that, active tab will be the dashboard. So these are the settings. So let's save the changes. Login and registration, these are the basic, and this page contains this shortcode. After redirection, we can redirect as well. Thank you page, registration page, we will be covering the registration a few moments later because the registration is the pro version. So we will click on the save changes. So these are the basic settings. We will be not covering the payment, email, privacy option. We will get so many options after the upgrading to the pro as well. Now these are the menus after WP User Frontend, post forms, registration forms. This is the pro version. Modules, these modules are available from the pro. Subscription is available on the free as well, and we can upgrade as well. We will be covering a separate video about the WP User Frontend subscriptions. And coupons, as we are not covering the pro version. Transaction, tools, and the tools will get this option that if we do not create the page from here, we can click here and create all the pages from here as well. Reset the settings, delete forms, transitions, import, export, we will get this option from the tools. And premium, we will get all the promotional messages. Help, in here we will get the documentation, and this is the settings that we have checked as well. So now let's go to the post forms. This is the sample form that has been created already. Now let's create a form, a blank form. So if we would like to add post, for example post title, post content, post excerpt, featured image, category, tags, text, this is already been set. So okay, and the field that you are seeing that are disabled because this field will require the pro version. So this is the basic field that we can create the post from. Now every individual form we will get the settings and notification, and we can change the form name as well by clicking in this one, for example test, and this has been saved. And now let's go to the settings, post setting, post type, post status, published, post format. We don't have any format yet. Post category, because we don't have any category yet, so it will be on default uncategorized. Redirect to newly created post. Comment is open. Draft, post draft, we can enable draft and non-draft as well, already published as well. Post template, we are not using any template. So these are the basic settings. We'll get the edit settings as well, submission restriction, payment option, display settings, post expiration is available from the pro version. So there will be a notification, enable notification. This will be go to the admin email, create a new post. So these are the settings. So let's save the form. So now how we can show these post forms? We can click by copying the shortcode. Let's create a page. Let's give a title, post form from WPUF. So let's create a shortcode, enter the shortcode, publish. Now we'll go to the appearance menus, create a main menu, create menu, header. So we have created a page. For example, this is the WPF pages that we have created. So let's add this one, WPF dashboard. Let's see dashboard, save the changes. Now let's go to the front end. This is the post forms. We get this post from. Let's create a post from the front end form. Description will be here, excerpt. So for example, we created excerpt, featured image is empty, uncategorized, tag 1, text, and submit. The post has been submitted. This is the post form, description, and tag, and we can see this post in here as well. This is the post, it has been published already. Now this is the basic overview of the WP User Frontend free version, which is this one. In the WP User Frontend free version, we will get the post form. Now we will see the WP User Frontend Pro version. Now we will be needing the WP User Frontend Pro separately. Let's upload this one. So this is the Pro version. I have uploaded the WP User Frontend Pro version. Let's click on install now. Let's activate the plugin. In here I would like to add this one, because in order to use the WP User Frontend Pro version, WP free version is required. If we deactivate the WP User Frontend free version, standalone the WP User Frontend Pro version will not work. So WP User Frontend free version is activated, WP User Frontend Pro version is activated as well. So now we will get the WP User Frontend registration form feature. This is it. So now let's create a I'm not activating the license because this is for the demonstration purpose. So let's create a post registration form. We'll get the basic templates as well. Now create a blank form. In here we need the username, first name, last name, display name, email, password, and we can add the text as well. So this is our basic registration form. Now just like the post form, we can rename the post form name. This is the test registration, and save the change. Just like the post form, we will get the settings for every individual form. So this one, user role, which role we will get after creating the account. It will be subscriber. Form template, we have not created or selected any templates, so no template will be a new user status required approval. For example, as an admin, I would like to approve manually every user that create their account from this form. So this require approval. Save the form. We'll get the notification as well. Display settings, registration, same page, profile update. They can profile update their profile. So let's save the changes again. So let's copy this shortcode and create another page. WPUF registration form. Let's add a shortcode, paste the shortcode and publish. Now if we would like to see this page, we will see that we already logged in. So you are already logged in. If we would like to see that page that we have created with the registration form, so now we will add this page to the menu, registration form. Let's add this one to the menu, save changes. Now we will see this form as a non-admin, for example in here. So user registration is disabled, please contact the admin enable. We are facing this message because we didn't enable the registration. We'll go to the settings, general settings. This is the thing that we need to enable in order to get rid of that message. Anyone can register, save changes. And one more thing I would like to recommend, that is permalink post name. If this is post name is enabled, still I would like to recommend the save changes, because WP User Frontend has created some pages as well. So let's go to that page, reload this one, we will get the registration form. For example, let's create a form. For example, test@wpuf.com, just for demonstration purpose. First name editorial, last name staff. So sorry, my bad, the username will be the test, email will be the test@password. Let's create this password, confirm password. Test is test in here. So let's click on the registration. Never. Please click on the email to activate the email, because we have enabled the activation. So this is how the WP User Frontend Free and WP User Frontend Pro version works. I hope you have get some idea of the WP User Frontend Free and WP User Frontend Pro. So if you would like me to cover some areas in more detail, please let me know in the comment section below. That's it for today. See you in the next one.